Hello there. I just finished the book, Will I Ever Be Good Enough? Healing the Daughters of Narcissistic Mothers. This was written by Carol McBride, PhD. Here's the cover of the book. I got this on Amazon. I'll put an associated link below to this book if you're interested. Let's see, it is 232 pages long, so it is not a super long book. And the copyright is 2008. This book I found to be very easy to read. I found it to cover a plethora of topics as it relates to having a narcissistic mother. It has some assignments in here to help on the healing journey. Yes, 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 and yes on this book. I would give it 2 thumbs up. I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. I felt this was extremely informative and very helpful. So, if you are looking for a book to help you, if you were raised by a woman who has narcissism or someone who has a narcissistic personality, I would say check this book out. It helped me a lot with a lot of different areas of dealing and healing and coping, and I think it could do the same for you. If you have ever read this book, let me know what your experience was with it in the comment section. And if you have not read this book, are you someone who enjoys self-help books? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!